Hello folks, this is David with Living Alabama to Life, and today we're going to let these puppies out and play and get a little exercise. People, you gotta love it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Get that right, girl. This old mean big dog, look at that. Y'all go play. Playtime on the farm. What about it, Lacey? Folks, please don't forget to subscribe to us, like us, and give us a comment. Well, we're gonna keep that stuff rolling and bring y'all some awesome content, I hope. We got several videos out there for y'all to watch, and we're gonna keep putting them out. I'm gonna walk them up here in this shade so they get that sun. It's a little warm today. Let them burn a little of this energy off. What y'all doing? Huh? What y'all doing? What are you doing, pretty girl? Them old tongs hanging out. Are y'all hot? Are y'all girls hot? You hot? Yeah. No, you can't have the camera. Come on. Y'all better leave Lacey alone. Boy, what you doing, boy? What you doing, boy? That's their mama right there. That's Miss Pearl. Hey, Pearl. Hey, Pearl. What you doing, girl? Lucy. Lucy, what you doing? Come on. What you doing, Bo? You done got tired? What about you, girl? You done got tired? Y'all better go run and play. What are you doing, Lucy? Y'all getting hot. Y'all working too hard. Y'all working too hard.